This is the Star Learning Series. We're going to do the alphabet letter L. The sound is L. L for leg. Say the sound and words after me. L, leg. This is my leg. L, legs. These are my legs. L, ladder. He climbs up the ladder. L, lips. These are my lips. L, laugh. The funny clown makes me laugh. L, laugh. The sound a hyena makes is called a laugh. L, look. I look at the picture with my eyes. L, loud. His music is very loud. L, lawyer. A lawyer knows the laws of the country. L, lie. I lie in my bed when I am sick. L, learn. Pam will learn how to draw a picture. L, last. This man is last in the queue. L, lonely. The clown is lonely. Nobody wants to play with him. L, lady. My mommy is a lady.
Well done.
L, lick. I lick the ice cream with my tongue. L, ladybird. We found a ladybird in our garden. L, lion. The lion can roar very loudly. L, lioness. A mommy lion is called a lioness. L, leopard. The leopard can run very fast. L, leopardess. A female leopard is called a leopardess. L, lizard. The lizard lies on a rock in the sun. L, lamb. A baby sheep is called a lamb. L, Labrador. A Labrador is a breed of dog. L, locust. A locust can fly and hop. L, lettuce. Pam puts lettuce into the salad.
Well done.
L, leek. Granny puts leek into the soup. L, lemon. A lemon tastes very sour. L, lemonade. I make lemonade with lemons. L, lime. A lime is also sour. L, lychees. My uncle likes to eat lychees. L, lentils. Mommy cooks the lentils. L, lollipop. I bought a red lollipop at the shop. L, loaf. He bought a loaf of bread at the shop. L, leaf. I pick one leaf off the tree. L, left. He is pointing to the left. L, lightning. She sees lightning in the sky. L, log. Tom sits on the brown log. L, line. I draw a straight line on the paper. L, long. This is a long line. Love. I love my mom. Lorry. The driver puts all the boxes into the lorry. Leash. We put a leash on the dog. Light switch. I switch the light on at the light switch. Lights. We switch the lights on at night. Lamp. The lamp is on the side table. Lace curtain. Mom washes the lace curtain. Lock. I lock the door with a key. Ladle. I dish the soup up with a ladle.
Well done.
Letter. She posts a letter to her granny. Letters. These are all the letters in the alphabet. Languages. English, French, and Greek are all languages. Landed. The aeroplane has just landed at the airport. Lawn. We play on the lawn in our garden. Lawn mower. Dad mows the lawn with a lawn mower. Lily. We have a lily in our garden. Leak. There is a leak in this bucket. Lake. We all go to the lake in the holidays. Less. This group has less apples. L, lipstick. Mommy put red lipstick on her lips. L, list. This is my mommy's shopping list. L, longer nights. In winter, the nights are longer.
Well done.
L, lady's hat. This is a lady's hat. L, leather. We make leather from the skin of an animal. L, leg pads. We use leg pads in cricket. L, lift. I lift up the heavy present. L, lock. I lock the door with a key. L, listen. I listen to my teacher at school. L, lawn bowling ball. This is a lawn bowling ball. L, light green. This color is called light green. L, light blue. This color is called light blue. I am a star. Well done. Give yourself a hug.